guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. So first off, I want to give everybody a big hug. Virtual hug. I know it's so strange because we haven't had human interaction in like forever. It's week 2 of this quarantine where everyone is sheltered in. I'm here in California in the Bay Area. Where are you guys at? Are you guys doing okay? It's just so strange from having like a regular lifestyle Monday through Friday, seeing people that you know as you're traveling to work or even at the grocery markets and stuff. And now everything is just like virtual happy hour, playing games with each other, FaceTiming, and yeah. It's just so crazy how things happen so fast and so quickly. However, if we can just get together and just stay home and listen to the government. Yes, this is scary that, you know, the virus is spreading worldwide quickly and lives are lost, and it is a really scary and sad thing. So although I'm stuck here at home sharing my workspace with my husband, I'm so thankful that I have him and my fur babies to be sheltered in with. You know, I know there's other people that have it more difficult out there. It is very sad that people are losing jobs, you know, businesses are closing because of this. So my heart does go out to each and one of you guys, and I hope you guys are doing okay and not in a difficult situation. So I'm just trying to stay positive and motivated here. And that is why I'm here with a monthly favorites video. And to be honest, I don't really know how many more monthly favorites I can actually keep up with. Stores are not open, so everything goes to online shopping, but I'm not trying to online shop at the moment because I'm not sure what's gonna happen in a month, you know, to 2 weeks, tomorrow. I'm trying to conserve as much as I can. I'm trying to be creative with these videos using what I have at home. So I will be brainstorming that, and I was thinking about offering online courses of makeup or hair tutorials, maybe like an hour at a really affordable rate for everybody. This could be a great opportunity for those that may not have the extra time to book a makeup lesson or hair tutorial. So again, I'm trying to be creative being stuck indoors, so I'll keep you guys posted. Oh, and by the way, I lost all the footage to this video, so I decided to put on full face of makeup and continue my video here. You guys notice I have a band-aid here. I have some like cuts here. Been doing a lot of home improvement work around the house. Been working out, so I've been really tough on my body. Like I have a bruise here, I have a bruise on my thigh. I'm just like all beat up here. Luckily, I was able to purchase some things earlier in this month before things got crazy and we were like locked down. So my first favorites I have here is gonna be this lotion here. This is by St.Ives. I think my first product I used from them was the apricot scrub. I mean, everyone has tried that, right? And I remember the first batch when they first started, or when I first started using it, it was like hella gritty. I mean, that stuff was like harsh on my skin, but I loved the feel of it. As I noticed, it's actually gotten a lot softer, so it's not as abrasive, but I still love their products. However, I came across this guy here. This body lotion has collagen and elastin. This is gonna help rejuvenate the skin, of course, give you that hydration. It's not sticky or tacky, which I really like, but I feel like it does absorb into my skin. I focus this more on my thighs and my arms because I feel like it needs some tightening around there. This is also non-scented, dermatologist tested, and it's also paraben free. If you guys didn't see the video that I posted on this, you guys should check it out. I'll go ahead and put that link down below for you guys. I have to say though, my video is super lengthy, only because I did the full demo, review, about the product, and even a wear test throughout the day. If you guys are spring summer ready and want that skin finish look, this is the product you guys need. This is by ILIA, and it's the Super Serum Skin Tint. Literally super sheer, gives you excellent skin finish. It does have a nice serumy finish because it's infused with shea butter. It's super soft and it really gives you like a glowy finish. And this also has SPF 40. I love pastels. This reminds me of spring, Easter. I mean, I could actually wear this all year long. I just love the color mint. This here is by Huda Beauty. This is their Pastels Obsession palettes. The color payoff is super strong. It's pigmented. I love these guys as a topper. It just gives you that light reflecting look. You can wear it on your brow bone, inner eye color, all over the lid. You can even apply it on like as a highlighter, and it does its job. One thing about this palette, it's kind of weird. It's like a gel. I don't know. It's like you can see my brush marks there, so it kind of like goes in there like Play-Doh, but it doesn't like fall out. Make sure you have a good primer or pack this on lightly and dust off the excess so you don't get any fallouts. But overall, this is such a beautiful palette. While I was in store, I was able to redeem some point perks with Sephora. I don't think they really carry Korres in stores as much, but they do have it online. I love their Greek yogurt formulations for their cleansers, makeup removers, and I came across this one. This is a new one I haven't seen before. The foaming cream cleanser, which I love. I love like that frothiness of it. Although I still do like a triple cleanse, I love to use this as a base to remove everything, followed by another cleanser. Although this is a Greek yogurt, it's not a really strong scent. It's super mild. I really like how this cleans my skin, but it also leaves a nice milky and hydrated feel. I don't know how I've been sleeping on Ofra Cosmetics, guys. So I recently purchased these, and I did purchase them in a pan only because I have palettes I can put them into. This here is like a shimmer brick or like a prism block, but I mean it's a circle, and it has all the highlighters, and I believe this is called, the name is on the back. This one here is Beverly Hills, and you just use your fingers to get on all the colors, and look how pretty this is. I can see myself using this or just using the lighter colors. I can use it on my inner eyes if I wanted to. I love how big this pan is. I really didn't think it was going to be this big. I also purchased another individual pan that I didn't think it was going to be this big because normally they're smaller sized, but this one here is called Kitty. I feel like this color is a really pretty base color. Again, you can use it all over the lids or just highlighted areas. But look how pigmented everything is. Here's another pan that I bought, and I love this color. So this last color here is like a pretty dusty rose pinky. I just love how reflective this is off of the light. It's so pigmented with one swatch. My last favorite is gonna be the Ofra Cosmetics Liquid Lip. This color is Havana. Ooh, so pigmented. It's so creamy. It comes out to a really nice plummy color. Have to really rub this off, but it stays on pretty dang well. And that is it for my monthly favorites, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorites. Please list down some of your favorites. I would love to know. Again, guys, please be positive during this difficult time. I hope everybody is doing well. We're trying to support everybody as we possibly can with positive posts. I'm gonna try my best to be creative at home, use what I have to create makeup looks, find some oldie but goodie or even brand new products I haven't tried yet for some demo and reviews for you guys. If you guys have any requests, don't be shy, go ahead and comment down below. Thanks again for supporting my channel, watching my video, guys. Stay safe, healthy, creative, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Favorite. Something cute. This is a super... So that's why I'm here. The ivory, it was ivory. It's not very cute.